Welcome back to our channel. Instagram and Threads app are under the same company Meta, and many settings of these applications are interconnected in the Account Center. Today, we have prepared a tutorial for you on how to delete or deactivate a Threads account without deleting Instagram. Let's get started. Open the Threads app on your phone. Access your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that, press on the two lines in the top right corner. We have opened the settings. We need the account option. Find it and open it. Then select Deactivate or Delete Profile. Here, they inform you that deactivating the account is temporary and your profile, content, likes and followers will not be visible until you log in again. Deleting the account is permanent. After deleting the account, your profile, content, likes and followers will be hidden and after 30 days permanently deleted. Also, it's important to note that these actions apply only to the Threads account, not to Instagram. Now, I will first show you the process of deactivating the account. Click on the Deactivate Profile button at the bottom of the screen. After that, confirm once again by clicking Deactivate. If you want to delete the account, go back a step and press the Delete Profile button. To delete the account, you will need to enter your password. After that, click on the Delete Threads Profile button. I won't do that because I don't want to delete my Threads account. I hope this video was helpful to you. Support our work and click on the subscribe button.